Hello travellers, so today I thought we'd just do a really quick review following up from the previous video I did, which was about which travel adapter you should use. You can click up in the top right hand corner, I believe that's here, to see that one. And we're doing a review of this here, and this is the MicroNovelty World Travel Adapter. So this is the world's smallest global travel adapter. And I'll show you some of the pros and cons of this and why you might want to pick it up or why you might want to avoid it. So some things I do like about this is that, of course, it's super small. You can see it fits in the palm of my hand. And if you look at my previous video, you'll see there's a bunch of other travel adapters that I reviewed and compared it to. And this is, of course, the smallest and lightest. You can see it's just so much smaller and lighter. But it isn't quite as small or as lightweight as this one here, which is the Road Warrior. And this is kind of like a transforming travel adapter, which connects to other points like this and gives you a whole bunch of interesting connections. However, this one has inputs, so you can adapt different countries' adapters to different outputs, which is something that this one doesn't have. So one of the negatives about this is that although it does have two USB fast charging ports, and it can adapt to other countries, as you can see on the end here, the bad thing is that you can't actually plug other plugs into it and adapt those as well. And I know there's probably a reason why that is, that there's a lot of technology that goes into this so that you can't do that. But I wish I could somehow put these ports on the top here or even on the side just so that you could adapt other plugs, which would make this really probably one of the best travel adapters there is. If it could be this small, adapt plugs and have two USBs, then I would just be suggesting this as the best travel plug there is. That being said though, I know that probably for a lot of people who are just traveling with a phone and a tablet or, just two items that are USB charging, they probably wouldn't need to necessarily adapt a different plug into the travel adapter. And so I think for those people, this could be a really good option. If you're just traveling with a phone, maybe also a tablet, both charged with USB, then you would be fine with this. If you really did need to adapt another device, you could probably travel with this as well. So these two in conjunction make a very small, lightweight kit basically for charging any device that you need, with whether it's USB or whether you're adapting to another plug. So taking a look at the build quality here, it's actually very solid, durable and well made. It's made from a very strong plastic and it doesn't creak or anything. So I can definitely feel that it is high quality. And it has all the ports that you would need. So it has the Australian and US plugs here. You just rotate those for the US. And for the UK pins, you actually pull this little plastic part out the side, and you can see that's got a little clip on it, and that just slots into the top here, and that makes the UK plug. Now to get this off, you actually press the little button on the side here and then pull it up, which is not that easy, but it does work. And then you just clip it. You just clip it back down here into its little slot. And it's a nice, neat little package. So some of the things I do like about this is, of course, you can charge two devices at the same time. They do say that it is quick charge. It has a 12-watt maximum output, but I don't think it's as fast charge as some other devices. Now, it is a little bit annoying that it's not USB-C, or even if one was USB-C and one was a normal USB-A port. But still, it is good to have two USB ports on this device. So another great thing about this device is that it only weighs 50 grams, which is 1.7 ounces, so it's super lightweight. It's just so small and compact, it really is a great device to have. So just talking about the price, you can buy this on Amazon or on their website. The links are down below, of course, in the comments and in the description. It's 51 Australian dollars or 30 US dollars, and that is a fairly high price, but I think if this is going to be your only travel adapter that you're taking, for the size and weight, I think the price is worth it. And like I said, it's really well built. It doesn't have any creaks, and I can feel like it's going to last for a really long time. So that's it, just a really quick look at the MicroNovelty Evo, the world's smallest USB travel adapter. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. And be sure to leave a comment down below, what is your favorite travel adapter that you use while traveling? And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.